the back of the random attacker. So can the flak, yo, I'm dangerous. I've been trained to bust when a stranger fuss trying to endanger us. Praise me, y'all, don't nothing faze me, y'all. When they see me, they gaze me, y'all. Crazy, y'all, they say I'm a myth. Trust me, if somebody rip out of the depths of your imaginations appears Will Smith. Black suit, the black shades, the black shoes, black tie with the black attitude. New style, black Ray-Bans, I'm stunning, man. New hotness, pitch black 600, man. Don't you understand? What you thought I wouldn't come again? Leave you hanging without bringing you to fun again? Tangle in with the alien scum again? Mind your manners or the black suits running in. Nod your head. Let me see you nod your head like this. Let me see you like this. Let me see you bop your head, nod your head. Come on. Let me see you like this. Let me see you nod your head like this. Check it, yo, it's this chick, right? Serlina, making me sick, right? Earth is worthless to her, she be tripping like threatening me and my men's trying to get the light. Thinking she's superwoman, but black kryptonite. Finishing whatever you start, son. The best looking crime fighter since myself in part 1. Better act right and play nice and sing along, cause K is back any height. What? Bring it on! Wanna brawl with me, tryna brawl with me. What? Yo. What? Let me see you. Just come on and nod your head like this. Let me see you nod your head. Let me see you nod your head like this. Let me see you. Let me see you nod your head. Let me see you. Come on. Let me see you like this. Let me see you. Check it. Yo, case closed. Erase my foes. Chased away by the black suit shades and clothes. We above the law. Feds can't touch me, y'all. Highly ranked. Black blank ID card. So disregard what you think you saw. Put that phone down now. Who you think you calling, huh? One little flash, then good night, there. Just open your eyes, honey. Look right here. Thank you. Mission completed. I mean it. We won't be defeated. You seen it. We did it. Even with weapons depleted. Galaxy defenders, don't act like you don't remember. Taking contenders and proving they only pretenders. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the men in black is back to protect the world. When the enemy is near, the elite is here. So have no fear. Just let me see you nod your head. Come on.